Then we will discuss experiment number 12, identification test for sodium bicarbonate. To perform the identification test for sodium bicarbonate, then chemicals potassium carbonate, potassium and antimonate solution, 1 molar acetic acid, magnesium uranyl acetate solution, then magnesium sulfate solution, 2 molar acetic acid, barium hydroxide solution, dilute hydrochloric acid solution, mercury chloride and distilled water. These all chemicals used for the identification test for sodium bicarbonate. Then instrument analytical balance with the calibrated weight box used for this experiment. Then theory, sodium bicarbonate, molecular weight of the sodium bicarbonate 84.1. Then sodium bicarbonate can be used as sodium hydrogen carbon, it's called as a sodium hydrogen carbonate or baking soda. Then it contains not less than 99% and not more than 101% of the sodium bicarbonate. It occurs white crystalline amorphous powder or small opaque monoclinic crystals having a saline taste and freely soluble in water, but it is practically insoluble in alcohol. And then when heated to 1000 Celsius, it gets converted to sesquicarbonate, and it gives effervescence with the acids, and solution is alkaline in nature. It gradually forms the sodium carbonate on heating in the dry state or in solution, stored protected from moisture. In medicines, it is mainly used for its acid neutralizing properties. It is used as an electrolyte replenisher and systematic alkalizer. It is also used for the preparation of buffer solutions. Aqueous solution are used as a local applicants for burns, insect bites, and it is also used as a constituent of the effervescent mixture, and if finds use as an antacid and to combat with the systematic acidosis. Then identification reaction of sodium bicarbonate is summarized below. This is the chemical reactions of the sodium salt and chemical reactions of the bicarbonate salts. Then in mineral acids are used instead of acetic acid. If impurities like sulfides and thiosulfides are present, the test becomes positive. These impurities yield sulfur dioxide, and which also forms white precipitates with the barium hydroxide forming barium sulfide, and the sulfide also readily dissolves in dilute hydrochloric acid, but acetic acid does not liberate sulfur dioxide from these impurities, thereby preventing inferences. Then there is a identification test for sodium and identification test for bicarbonate. In the identification test for bicarbonate, there is a 6 test for identification of the bicarbonate, and in this identification test for sodium, there is a 3 test for the identification test for sodium. Perform this all test for identification of sodium and bicarbonate, and observation or results or inferences. All these observation and inferences of this identification test for sodium and bicarbonate is put into these results.